This video is going to go through the perfect tense of Latin, which is used to describe things happening in the past. The perfect tense is slightly different to conjugate than the present and imperfect tense because they use different principal parts. Just for review, the principal parts are the form of verbs that indicate its tense and conjugation. So far, we've only met the two tenses, the present tense and the imperfect tense, which can both be conjugated from the first principal part. The subject of the video, the perfect tense, comes from the third principal part, and it is translated as verbed. Like all verb tenses, the perfect tense also has a set of endings that indicate what tense it is, and they are it, imus istis errant. The tricky part about this tense stems from its principal part. Here's an example. Rego, regere, rexi, rectus, meaning I rule, to rule, I ruled, having been ruled. In this instance, rexi is the principal part needed for the perfect tense. However, those of you that are keen-eyed can see that its stem differs from the other principal parts. That's because the perfect tense all have an extra letter added to the stem. In this instance, the extra letter is X. But there are many other verbs that use different letters, such as VUS. For example, portavi, I carried. So if an extra V, U, S, or X appears in a verb, there's a good chance that the verb will be in the perfect tense. To sum things up, the perfect tense includes an irregular stem with an extra letter added, and then the perfect tense endings, it, imus, istis, errant. Now you know how to spot a perfect tense.